Does YouTube TV have voice control? Yes, YouTube TV supports voice control through various platforms and devices, enhancing user convenience and accessibility. Number 1. Using voice commands with Google Assistant. You can control YouTube TV using Google Assistant on compatible devices. Google Home speakers and displays. Link your YouTube TV account with your Google Home device. Use voice commands such as, "Hey Google, play ESPN on YouTube TV." Ensure both devices are signed in to the same Google accounts. Chromecast with Google TV. Utilize the voice-enabled remote to issue commands. Say, "Play show name on YouTube TV" to start streaming. Number 2, voice control via mobile devices. The YouTube TV mobile app offers built-in voice command features. Activating voice commands. Tap the microphone icon within the app. Speak commands like "Play CNN" or "Record the latest episode of show name." Number 3, integration with other voice assistants. YouTube TV can be controlled using other voice assistants. Amazon Alexa. On Fire TV devices, use Alexa to control playback and navigation. Commands include "Alexa, open YouTube TV" or "Alexa, play channel name on YouTube TV." Roku devices. Use Roku's voice remote to launch YouTube TV and select channels. Commands like "Launch YouTube TV" or "Tune to NBC on YouTube TV" are supported. Number 4, setting up voice control for YouTube TV. To enable voice control on your devices, step number 1, ensure device compatibility. Confirm that your streaming device or smart speaker supports voice commands and is compatible with YouTube TV. Step number 2, link accounts. Connect your YouTube TV account with the Voice Assistance app. And step number 3, use voice commands. After linking, use specific phrases to control YouTube TV, such as "Play channel name on YouTube TV."